It's 3 a.m. right now. You're asleep, completely out. Not one part of your brain is thinking about money, but 20 businesses are wide awake. A vending machine just sold a soda in Denver. A parking app just charged someone in Miami. A storage unit auto-renewed itself in Phoenix. You didn't touch any of it. You'll wake up in a few hours, you'll check your phone, and the number will be higher than it was last night. That's it. That's the whole trick. Nobody believes this at first. People assume it's a scam. It's not. It's 20 boring, unglamorous, forgettable little businesses, all running at the exact same time, all completely unaware that you're snoring through the entire operation. You're not rich because you're smart. You're rich because you built things that literally cannot stop working, even if you tried to make them stop. This isn't a story about hustle culture. This isn't about waking up at 4 a.m. to journal. It's the opposite. It's about sleeping like a rock while your bank account quietly climbs without you. Somewhere tonight, someone is wide awake grinding on a laptop, convinced that's the only way to build wealth. Meanwhile, 20 machines, apps, and automated systems are doing the actual work for a completely different person who's fast asleep. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll understand exactly why the businesses that never sleep are the ones quietly making the most money, and why the people who build them sleep better than anyone else. You didn't need a trust fund. You didn't need a rich uncle. You didn't need a viral idea either. You just needed 20 boring things running at once, all doing their own thing, all completely indifferent to your sleep schedule. Think about that for a second. Your alarm clock has zero power over these businesses. Your bad night of sleep doesn't touch them. Your sick day doesn't slow them down. That's the entire point. Level 1. Here's what almost nobody tells you about owning a business. Most people think owning something means babysitting it forever, answering texts, fixing problems, never fully relaxing. That's true for most businesses. It's not true for these 20. Every single one was picked because it works without you needing to be conscious, let alone present. A vending machine doesn't need you awake. It just needs stock and a card reader. A storage facility doesn't need you awake. It just needs a lock and an app. A parking lot doesn't need you awake. It just needs a sensor and a payment system. You built a life where being unconscious for 8 hours a night doesn't cost you a single dollar. Most people can't say that about their job. You can say it about 20 of them at once. Think about your own job for a second. If you slept in tomorrow, would you still get paid? Probably not. That's the difference. That's the entire difference between a job and a system. Level 2. Let's talk about why 20 sleeping businesses beat one job you're wide awake for. Your job pays you for hours. The second you stop working, the money stops too. Simple as that. These 20 businesses don't care if you're awake. They don't care if you're sick. They don't care if you're on a plane with your phone in airplane mode. The machines still sell. The rent still auto-charges. The system still runs. One vending machine alone won't change your life. 20 of them, spread across different cities, different categories, running every single night while you sleep, absolutely will. And here's the part that shocks people. If one machine breaks tonight, you don't even know until morning. 19 others are still working just fine. That's the real safety net nobody talks about. Not savings, not insurance. Just 20 separate income sources that don't all depend on the same lucky night. Most people never do this math. They try one side hustle, get tired, and quit before they ever discover what happens once you stack 20 of them together. One machine feels like nothing. 20 machines feel like something completely different. That's not opinion. That's just what happens when you actually run the numbers honestly instead of guessing. Level 3. Building this wasn't magic. It was exhausting, unglamorous work, done while everyone else was asleep, ironically. Setting up remote payment systems at midnight because that's when you had free time. Researching which vending routes actually had foot traffic and which ones were empty scams. Nobody filmed any of that for social media. Nobody wants to watch someone read a supplier contract at 1 a.m. But every single boring hour spent fixing business number 1 made business number 2 twice as fast to launch. By business number 10, you weren't guessing anymore. You knew exactly what worked and what didn't. Sleep stopped being time lost and started being time the businesses used to keep working without any interruption from you at all. Some nights you'd fall asleep mid-research, phone still in your hand. That's not glamorous. Nobody tells that part of the story. But that's genuinely how it got built. One tired night at a time. Level 4. So where does all this overnight money actually go? It doesn't just sit there. Some go straight back into the next sleeping business, the next machine, the next automated system that never needs you conscious to function. Some goes into better tech, apps that flag problems automatically, cameras that alert a contractor instead of you, systems built specifically so your sleep schedule has zero effect on your income. People assume this required some genius move. It didn't. It required buying boring machines, one at a time, for years, while everyone else was chasing something flashier and staying up too late doing it. There was no secret formula, no insider tip, just repetition. Buy one, learn it, buy the next one faster. That's genuinely the whole method, repeated for over a decade. Level 5. Nobody warns you about the weird looks you get explaining this. Friends assume you're joking when you say your businesses run themselves overnight. Family thinks you're exaggerating, or worse, that you're not actually working at all. There's real pressure to prove you're doing something. Hustle culture convinced an entire generation that if you're not visibly grinding, you're not really succeeding. Meanwhile, your bank account disagrees completely with that theory every single morning. You stopped needing anyone to believe you a long time ago. The overnight deposits do the talking now. Someone at a party once asked if you were unemployed. You just laughed and changed the subject. Why explain something that shows up clearly in a bank statement every single morning without fail? Level 6. Here's the exact moment this stopped feeling like luck and started feeling like a system. Early on, every single machine needed babysitting. You'd wake up nervous, checking if something broke overnight. Somewhere around business number 12, that nervous checking disappeared completely. Contractors handled repairs without calling you. Apps flagged their own issues. You started sleeping through the entire night without once thinking about any of it. Checking your phone in the morning stopped being anxious and started being almost boring. Numbers went up. That was it. No drama required anymore. Boring became the goal. Boring meant nothing had gone wrong overnight. Boring, it turns out, is exactly what real financial peace actually feels like day to day. Level 7. So what does owning 20 businesses that work while you sleep actually buy you? It's not a private jet. It's something quieter and honestly more valuable. It's never being afraid of your own alarm clock again. It's taking a nap on a random Tuesday afternoon without a single ounce of guilt, because the businesses are still working exactly like they always do. It's traveling somewhere with terrible Wi-Fi and not caring even slightly, because none of these businesses ever needed your Wi-Fi in the first place. None of this happened in one lucky week. One sleeping business turned into 2. 2 turned into 8. 8 eventually turned into 20 separate machines and systems, all quietly working the graveyard shift for a person who was never awake to see any of it happen directly. Not every single one worked out. Some machines got sold off cheap after a bad location choice. Some contracts fell apart and had to be rebuilt from scratch. That's the boring part nobody puts in the highlight reel. But it's exactly why the ones that survived mattered so much more in the end. These 20 businesses were never really the point. They were proof that money doesn't actually require you to be awake for it, as long as you build things correctly the first time around. Picture that garbage truck driver, that vending machine, that parking app, all working right now while you read this sentence. None of them know your name. None of them care. They just keep going. If you're wondering whether your own boring idea could work the exact same way, it probably can. The only real difference between you and this story is who actually built the thing instead of just thinking about it at 2 a.m. This channel is POV Zen. If this story changed how you look at your own sleep schedule tonight, that's exactly why it got made in the first place. Subscribe if you want the next hidden wealth story broken down exactly like this one. Because somewhere right now, 20 boring little businesses are quietly running while their owner sleeps like it's nothing at all. And honestly, that's usually where the real money's been hiding this entire time. Go to sleep. Let the machines handle the rest.